Hey guys, just a quick video today just to show cleaning of the throttle control valve for the Mitsubishi Pajero. Now this one is a V6 3.8 liter petrol engine in a 4th generation Pajero. We've just done a fair few kilometers, and throttle control valve, essentially if you're having issues with your performance, efficiency, or with your idling, it's something that you may want to look at, because over time you get built up of gunk on it and grease and carbon and whatnot, and may not be a bad idea to clean it up and see if it improves your performance or idling. Essentially the way to get to it is there's a few little things you need to do. Remove this little connection here. This is your air box obviously, and that's the hose that goes to the engine, and your throttle control assembly is over here. So remove the sensor from here, and you'll have to remove, if you can see it, but there's a little hose there for the vacuum, so you'll have to remove that as well. So remove those two, unscrew this screw here. I think you'll need some sort of a Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew that so you can open the clamp up, and just unclip these clips here. There's two here, one down here. I think it's probably, yeah. So 3 clips here. Unclip those. Just be careful of these hinges here. Take it off, and then you'll be able to take that assembly off, and then you'll be able to access that throttle control valve. Make sure your engine's off obviously, and the key is out of the ignition, and then you just get onto it. So we'll just go ahead, disassemble it, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, so once you've removed the assembly, sitting like this, you just take it off, put it on the side. Make sure you're in a clean, sterile sort of environment, away from the elements. Wear gloves, and now you can actually see the throttle control valve, or the butterfly as some people call it. So as you can see, it's not the cleanest. So I'm just going to try to show you the other side, or the underside of it, which is sort of fairly dirty. So you just got to go ahead and clean it. I mean, you can do it while the car's here. Another way is to undo these nuts, these bolts, and take the whole thing off and do it that way. Or you can just sort of work a little bit harder and be a bit more meticulous and do it the way it is. There's various products you can use. This is the product I'm going to use. This is from a local car part shop. It's called SCA, which stands for Super Cheap Auto. Throttle body and carburetor cleaner. So essentially all you need to do is just spray it, and just use some rugs or something, and with a screwdriver or something, or I guess be gentle. Just spray it on here. Just clean it all up, both sides, as much as you can, and that's all you need to do. So we'll just go ahead and do that, and then we'll show you the end result. Okay, so we've given it a bit of a clean, and as you can see, it looks a bit cleaner. It's sort of moving freely and everything. So just try and sort of get your hand in there, clean the underside as well. I use a few sort of paper towels, and you can see it's fairly dirty. So that's it. That's essentially how you can clean the throttle control valve on a 4th generation Mitsubishi Pajero. And once you've done it, obviously just reassemble everything the opposite of the same way we disassemble it, and just make sure you don't forget to put this vacuum hose back, and that's it. And then start your car, and hopefully it idles better, and you get a bit more throttle. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, if it helped, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.